Hello, YouTube. This is my third short on the carbon credit thing. So you can look this up, but I know a lot about it. The carbon credits, you may be asking, what are the carbon credits? And I'm going to tell you. The carbon credits are a future, like 1984 plan. 1984, that genre of books of 1984 and other books. So yeah, it's in that genre of 1984 books, other genres too. And the carbon credits are credits you will get on a credit card like thing on your digital ID, to where you can only drive your car so much. You can eat a certain amount of meat, real meat, per month. And like what else? You can buy things that require off-putting of carbon per month, and it's a per month thing. You'll get so many carbon credits per month, which I don't agree with, but it might be coming soon. People have always said it's not the carbon itself they're worried about, it's the control that they're worried about, and you are the carbon they're worried about. They want to kill you. You are the carbon they want to reduce. This is a eugenics plan. This is a eugenics-like plan. So yeah, that's what carbon credits are, is eating meat, going for a ride in your car, and buying products that require off-putting of carbon. You can only do that so many times a month before being penalized. So think of the CCP. Think of China's kind of policies. Think of China's social credit score policies, basically. Where you do something wrong, if you do something wrong too many times, you get erased from all of the systems. And you essentially have to live under a bridge, or worse. You know, you can do your research about all about that. Yeah. Basically, if you want to hear more, this is the end of the video. If you want to hear more about my world updates, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that red button and make sure to like. Bye. See you later.